Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the device passcode, and if used, the screen time code. That prevents lockouts. Once you have credentials, make a quick backup so changes are reversible. Now open Settings and tap Screen Time. This gets you directly into the controls. You do this because altering limits affects apps, downtime, and content restrictions, so you'll be changing multiple linked settings, not just one switch. Next, you turn off the concrete limits. Tap App Limits and toggle off any active limits, then do the same for downtime. Make sure to open content and privacy restrictions and either disable the switch or adjust specific settings. Some apps and features are controlled there. When prompted, enter the screen time code to authorize changes. This step ensures you really have permission to modify the parental controls and prevents accidental unlocks. Finally, double-check that screen time shows off or displays the updated settings and test an app to confirm removal of limits. Once done, restart the device to ensure the system applies all changes cleanly. If you can't disable controls because you don't know the screen time code, try restoring from a backup made before restrictions or ask the account owner for the code. This troubleshooting step prevents data loss and avoids guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.